fucking barely hang on, brother. Holy sh! The water's really freaking deep.
Going pretty good.
We're up to our first tree, everybody. Dano's gonna cut this some beach up.
Time to freaking cut some timber, Bob.
Excellent. It's a little deep, brother.
Oh, she's not bad.
That's good. We have some evidence of a telephone pole.
Yes, man.
That's pretty cool.
D-Town.
Yeah.
D-Town history right there.
Let us know in the comments what you guys want us to do. I mean, not that we're running out of ideas yet, but we want to know. That would definitely help us out. Looks like George got another piece. That's a good one.
I don't know where to put it.
Put it right next to you.
Yeah, that was a good day, boys, let me tell you.
Good day out on the trail. Look at our friggin' snowman. Didn't last against that rainstorm. Ah! Well, it's the next day, and we're thinking since we don't have any snow, we're gonna go ride some bikes, unicycle, everything. We're going to the skate park and the dirt jumps. Put your seatbelt on. You did. Look at, we're all loaded up. We got everything.
We got one outside.
What?
One outside.
Oh yeah, true. Forgot about that one. So we like totally got rained out, but we're in this little gazebo. We got some decorations.
Santa's dead. Santa's dead.
Santa's pretty much down for the count. So there's a Christmas tree. And this one. Get the unicycle.
Some little kid didn't get his present. Look at that fucking Christmas tree.
Damn. This sucks to the hill. He's gonna try to go down the hill, and he wants to go down this trail. You're pretty good, man. Don't fall in the water.
Got my new shoes on.
Yeah, don't get the white kicks dirty.
Yeah, I'm confident.
How's he doing this? The furthest I've ever seen this kid go. I just made it, boys. Of course, we didn't get it on camera, but I almost made it right about where George. I made it to the bench.
Hey, check this out.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, that was sweet.
Go down.
You can if you want, but wait, did you do it? Did you hold your seat that time? Is that
Yeah.
what you did? You
Dougie told me
Dougie told you,
I had to ride a unicycle.
right? And we're gonna go by that.
He said to hold your seat.
Yeah.
And it works.
Thank you, Dougie. This one's the old hands in the pocket maneuver. Not many people can do this crazy. He's off on an adventure. Where's he going? Nobody knows.
Here you go, boys.
And he does it. Followed by the old circle. Still friggin' raining. Raining on our parade. We're at the skate park. Do it for Doug. Whoa, man. A backwards trick. Oh, you just got your back, man. You should fucking soaked. Unicycle cam. Oh, this thing's about to fall apart, boys. We're trying to hold our seat, man. We're trying. No, definitely. I don't know what you guys think.
Oh, the fucking seat's moving.
Yeah, that's what it was doing.
We got a pivotable seat.
I don't know what you guys think, but
The seat's all
this is my first year unicycling. I'm getting a little better. George better watch out. I'm gonna be.
We fucked this unicycle up. We need new seat bolts coming.
Yeah, he's just worried I'm gonna be better.
It just goes.
I'm just kidding. Fucking love this guy. And he makes it. Round of applause, everybody. Dang it, he's still going. He's still freaking going, everybody. Jump.
Right into the water.
Again.
Got the friggin' fresh kicks all muddy, brother.
So the skate park really isn't too fun when it's raining. I mean, it's stopping now, but everything's soaked. We're getting soaked. We'll get a couple bike clips though. I haven't seen him grind this in a while. Freaking rain. I want a 360 the spine, but not today. Too wet. I'll put the clip in right here though. Yes! Whoa! You almost took my freaking face right off.
I don't think that's possible. Well, it probably is possible. It's just I fucking suck at everything.
You're right.
I'm sorry.
I'm alive.
Oh my god!
Dude,
Fucking suck.
that was close.
One more try.
I want to count that one, but one more time. I'm just gonna count that other one. That was close enough. All right, I think now we're gonna probably load them up and head over to the dirt jumps, maybe.
Yeah.
Well, we figured out the dirt jumps are just sloppy mess, so that we're not gonna be able to do anything here. It would have been cool, but this was a jump we built over the summer. She's holding up pretty good. We made it a lot wider than it was. These are kind of like our personal jumps. No one really touches them. I mean, a few people come here, like kids and mountain bikers, but we're the ones that actually shovel this place and maintain it. I'm a little upset though, boys. I'm a little upset. Freaking had a nice jump right here, and they took it away on us. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. It's a nice big old jump. Nature Channel, everybody. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, give her a thumbs up, subscribe. We need those subscribers, everybody. I want to keep making good stuff for you. So does George. But we're gonna end it here. Peace. Up, pop, boop, bop. Boop.